Obocheno de ndwale nigatebere gwetania abakenya chimilioni 25 nigo berikira sumuru obocheno osha gweterase chisimi insi yo mwaka oyomo kaukwara sigikaro kigi science gyo kulingoria ebintu byobubweni meya Africa ase county ya Mombasa munyekero gobwe board ya Mariogo John Munyu nigase ensemo ya bulira barayi ba Africa koigikenibo asa Mariogo n'ekichanjo asa enekire buno rugongo rwa Africa nigo rukugura Mariogo ebirengo ase birengo byemerongo kyanda ase okorosigwa kwa Mariogo kolense mono.
27.5 million Kenyans at the top of their phones register with the Social Health Authority in the last 1 year. That's half of our population. So universal health coverage is a reality and a fact. If half of our population are registered, and in that digital superhighway, we have a component with the Pharmacy and Poison Board. Number one, nobody can dispense any drug in our country if he's not a pharmacist.
We are at the moment importing 90% of medicines and producing less than 1% of vaccines. This is a critical weakness we must address as a continent. Over the past 10 years, Africa Medicines Regulatory Harmonization Program has been the cornerstone of our efforts, building robust regulatory systems from the national to the regional level through guideline harmonization and digitalization.
We have reduced counterfeit and fake drugs in our country. Thirdly, we have introduced in our system an app called Track and Trace. So we can trace a particular product, pharmaceutical product, from the patient all the way to the